Black Friday has arrived to revolutionize your kitchen, offering an exceptional chance to upgrade outdated appliances with modern, time-saving technology that simplifies meal prep and encourages healthier cooking habits. Here I will show some of the best discounted Black Friday deals on kitchen appliances.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Ninja AF 141 Air Fryer. Leading the charge in healthy cooking deals is the Ninja AF 141 Air Fryer, available at an outstanding 38% discount, establishing it as the season's essential purchase for achieving deep-fried crispiness with a fraction of the oil. This compact but mighty appliance boasts a generous 4.7-liter capacity, ideal for small to medium-sized families, and features 4 essential cooking functions: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, all powered by Ninja's proprietary Air Crisp technology, which circulates superheated air for quick, even results. The 38% saving on this efficient model allows users to effortlessly prepare healthier versions of their favorite meals, from crispy French fries to roasted vegetables and even homemade fruit jerky, making it a powerful and versatile addition that minimizes both cooking time and fat intake. On number 2, we have Magic Bullet Blender 11 Pieces Set. For smoothie enthusiasts and those who value lightning-fast meal prep, the Magic Bullet Blender 11 Pieces Set offers the highest percentage discount at a staggering 44% off, transforming this iconic personal blender into an absolute steal. This comprehensive 11-piece set includes the compact 250-watt motor base, a stainless steel crossblade, various cups, tall, short, and party mug, and convenient lids, enabling users to chop, mix, blend, and grind ingredients in less than 10 seconds directly into the cup they will drink from. The massive 44% price cut on this compact powerhouse makes it the ultimate time saver for creating instant smoothies, dips, sauces, and cocktail mixes, streamlining cleanup thanks to its dishwasher-safe attachments and minimizing counter space, cementing its status as the perfect kitchen assistant for busy, on-the-go lifestyles. On number 3, we have Comfee 9-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. The Comfee 9-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker, a true workhorse in the kitchen, secures a respectable 15% reduction, offering incredible multifunctional value that consolidates several appliances into one powerful unit. This large-capacity cooker functions as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, yogurt maker, cake maker, and food warmer, featuring multiple customizable presets and 10 safety mechanisms to ensure perfect results and worry-free operation every time. Although the discount is the most modest on this list, the 15% saving is still substantial on a device that drastically cuts down cooking times while handling complex recipes with ease, making it a crucial purchase for anyone who wants to simplify their dinner process and rely on consistent one-pot results for large family meals or batch cooking. On number 4, we have Chefman Electric Kettle. Finally, addressing a fundamental need for speed and convenience, the Chefman Electric Kettle is available at a solid 21% off, presenting an easy opportunity to upgrade your water heating capabilities. This modern kettle typically features rapid boil technology, often powered by a high-wattage element capable of boiling water in just minutes, and includes essential safety features like automatic shutoff and boil-dry protection for peace of mind. Many Chefman models also boast premium touches like glass construction, LED indicator lights, and some even include a removable tea infuser for brewing loose-leaf tea directly, enhancing its versatility beyond simple water heating. The 21% discount makes this reliable and fast-boiling kettle a highly practical Black Friday grab for tea lovers, coffee aficionados, and anyone needing instant hot water for cooking or beverages. So these are some of the best deals to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.